Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the Xbox game bar on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all we have to do is just right click on the Windows Start icon and then select Settings. Select Gaming on the left side. And then on the right side, select Xbox Game Bar, Controller and Keyboard Shortcuts. And where it says Open Game Bar, go ahead and just toggle that to the off position. And that's pretty much about it, guys. And if you want to take it a step further, you can go over to Apps. So go ahead and select Apps, and then select Apps and Features. And you just would go ahead into the Apps search field once it's finished loading here. We're going to go ahead and search for the Xbox app, or I should say the Xbox Game Bar. So just type in Xbox, select the Xbox Game Bar option, three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. And just go ahead and underneath Background App Processes, make sure it's set to Never. And that's about it. And you can also terminate it as well. You can't uninstall it, but you can terminate it, and you can turn it off from running in the background. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.